Hey, hello friends! In this video, I will show you some techniques for drawing an eye as a first lesson. The first step is to draw two lines vertically and horizontally. These lines will help us while drawing the eye. Draw an ellipse that looks like a horizontal egg in the middle of the cross. Draw reference lines to the corners of the eye to define the ending lines of the eye. To the top, draw an eyelid crease, then add wrinkles under the eye. For the eyebrow, simple lines will suffice for now. The location of the pupil will be right above the cross. We are drawing the darkest part of the eye, the iris, in the middle of the cross. Depending on the eye shape you want to draw, we shade it with dark lines according to the openness or closure of the eyelid. In this part, I will mention a mistake while drawing an eye. To compare, I'm drawing two eyes. The first one is a more natural and accurate technique because the darkness and thickness of the lines are usually different from the lower and upper parts of the eye. The eyelid and its shade create intense darkness in the upper part of the eye. The second one is consisting of the same tone lines. That's why we cannot get effect of the 3D image in our drawings. Well, in this part, I will show you how to shade. Follow the techniques I use step by step. So, okay guys, that was our first lesson. The next video will be about how to draw a portrait. So, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!